A sustainable brand is a brand which endures, which is successful and does something to make the world a better place.
Sustainability is no longer about certain attributes in a product. It's when you're starting to look at a larger, more complex picture.
And we need to see brands not working so much on their own, but working together.
Sustainability is actually about finding the ways to bring value and values together.
An important ingredient is authenticity.
And only if you're fully transparent and show your weaknesses but also your strengths, then you will be a sustainable brand.
Aesthetic and efficient.
Scary and world-changing.
Exciting and transformative.
Commitment.
And collaboration.
How a brand is going to get involved in creating sustainable lifestyles is a really big deal.
We have the ability really to inspire and to infect other people.
We had a campaign called Bees Love Organic. Instead of just telling people about Bees Love Organic, we handed out 400,000 bags of organic flower seeds. Made a lot of bees happy, but also more importantly, we got the message across.
We've built a marketplace of sharing. Millions of people will be able to share their resources.
We've taken a look at design and packaging, and actually the bottle and the container itself. It allows consumers to reuse this bottle and only replace what they need. So you end up reusing this and just replacing this.
Ultimately, we don't just live in this linear expanding universe. If we inspired the bad model of consumption in the world, we're obviously in the position to be able to do that again, and maybe this time inspire it for good and for better.
And really making a difference for people's lives now.